Not too long ago, a dear friend of mine tried to send an email invite for a birthday party. They beautifully designed an email with all the necessary information for attending the party, but when the day of the party came, no one showed up. Aww. As it turns out, their email invite wasn't ignored. It was sent directly to the spam folder of everyone they invited. Sound like a horror story to you? Well, then you're in the right place. If you ever missed an important email because it got sent to your spam folder, you're not alone. I used to miss countless emails that accidentally got marked as spam. That is, until I realized there is a way to keep those important emails coming directly to your inbox. Here's how to whitelist an email the easy way. First things first, let's go over what whitelisting really is. It's a way to tell your email service to always let certain mail in. It works by adding an address to a special list so that its emails always arrive in your inbox and never get marked as spam. It's a super useful tool that will help keep your inbox organized and under control. We're going to go over how to do this in Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. So be sure to check the chapters down below and head to the section for the email provider you are using. Let's start with Gmail. In your Gmail desktop, click the gear icon, then See All Settings. Head to Filters and Blocked Addresses tab, click Create New Filter. You can whitelist either a certain sender by putting an entire email address or senders from a specific domain by just typing the domain like @gmail.com. Enter whatever email address or domains you want to whitelist in the Forms section. Click Create Filter to confirm. Select Never Send It to Spam to add this domain or email to a safe sender list. Click Create Filter, again to save. Not too hard, right? Next, let's look at how to whitelist an email in Outlook. Using Outlook on the web, select the gear icon. Click Mail on the left sidebar, then Junk Email. Click plus, Add under Safe Senders and Domains. Click the domain like so-and-so @gmail.com. Or enter the email address you want added to safe senders. Click OK to confirm. Alright, we've done Gmail and Outlook. Let's learn how to whitelist an email on Yahoo. In Yahoo Desktop, if you've already received an email from a sender that accidentally got marked as spam, go to the spam folder. Select the email and click Not Spam. Once you've marked the sender as not spam, the Yahoo spam filter will allow future messages into your inbox. If you want to whitelist an email address from a sender you haven't received an email from yet, navigate to the Contacts tab. Click Add New Contact, enter the name and email address, and click Save to save the new contact. That's it. You've now whitelisted an email address in Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. However, that won't stop emails you don't want from sneaking into your inbox. This whole process of whitelisting an email can be kind of complicated, so I would really recommend a third-party email management system like Clean Email, who this video is brought to you by. It's a one-stop shop for email management needs. It lets you unsubscribe in bulk and manage senders specifically that you really like and flag them as important, star specific senders. For issues like making sure emails get delivered to your inbox, I really recommend cleaning out the junk from your inbox. Because sometimes the email can be just sitting right in front of you and you can't find it because there's so much clutter. To do this, I really recommend bulk unsubscribing and bulk deleting emails. Clean Email has a feature that lets you select all newsletters and unsubscribe. If you don't want to do that and go crazy, you can select them one by one. But I personally love the idea of purging all of the newsletters and annoying senders in one go. If you want to try it, there is a link in the description below for 15% off. Which reminds me, oh shoot, I'm late for that birthday party, I gotta go. And I can't even blame being late on my spam filter anymore. Hope that helped and thanks for watching.